Hey, Wellness Warriors! Welcome back to Wellness from Home. Today, we're diving into the world of anti-inflammatory drinks that are not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Whether you're dealing with chronic inflammation or just looking for a healthy boost, these 5 drinks will support your body from the inside out. Let's jump in. Number 1. Golden Turmeric Latte, anti-inflammatory and calming. First up, we've got the Golden Turmeric Latte, also known as golden milk. Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and when combined with black pepper, it's absorbed even more effectively by your body. Here's how to make it. In a small saucepan, add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of cinnamon. Stir it over low heat until it's warm. For sweetness, add 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Once it's all mixed and warm, pour it into your favorite mug, and you're ready to enjoy a soothing, anti-inflammatory drink that's perfect before bed. Number 2. Ginger Lemonade, boost digestion and immunity. Next, we have a refreshing ginger lemonade. Ginger is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and combined with lemon, it's a great way to support digestion and boost your immune system. Start by grating about a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger root. Add it to a pot with 4 cups of water and bring it to a simmer for about 10 minutes. Once the water has cooled, strain out the ginger and add the juice of 2 fresh lemons and 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or agave syrup for sweetness. Serve it over ice for a refreshing, tangy drink that'll help reduce inflammation and hydrate you at the same time. Number 3. Anti-Inflammatory Green Juice, packed with antioxidants. Now, if you're looking for a juice packed with antioxidants, try this anti-inflammatory green juice. Green vegetables like spinach are loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds, and the combination of cucumber, apple, and ginger gives this juice a refreshing kick. Grab your juicer or blender and start by adding 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 cucumber, 1 green apple, a small piece of ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. Blend everything until smooth, and if you're using a blender, you may need to strain it for a smoother texture. This green juice is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory ingredients, making it the perfect drink to start your day on a healthy note. Number 4. Cherry and Tart Cherry Juice, natural pain relief. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are known for their high levels of anthocyanins, which are potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce joint pain and muscle soreness. Simply blend 1 cup of fresh cherries or use 100% tart cherry juice without added sugar with 1/2 cup of water. If you want to add a little sweetness, you can add a splash of honey or a couple of stevia drops. Enjoy this vibrant juice as a natural way to reduce inflammation and ease muscle or joint pain. Number 5. Aloe Vera and Coconut Water, hydrating and healing. Last but certainly not least, we've got aloe vera and coconut water. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, and when paired with hydrating coconut water, it's a perfect anti-inflammatory drink to replenish and heal your body. Start by blending 1/4 cup of fresh aloe vera gel with 1 cup of coconut water. Add a squeeze of lime juice for an extra refreshing twist and a little honey for sweetness if you prefer. This drink is so hydrating and healing, perfect after a workout or as a midday refresher to keep your body nourished and balanced. There you have it, 5 delicious and easy-to-make anti-inflammatory drinks that are perfect for boosting your health and wellness. Whether you need to soothe inflammation, improve digestion, or hydrate your body, these drinks are a great way to incorporate natural ingredients into your routine. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Wellness from Home community. I'd love to hear which drink you're most excited to try, or if you have any anti-inflammatory drink recipes of your own. Drop a comment below. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.